And thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at noon. Watching that radar very carefully, and we are starting to see that moisture moving in right on time. We expected this to move across the border right about 12 o'clock today, and has indeed pushed its way across the border into our northern Minnesota and extreme northeastern North Dakota neighborhoods. And we do expect, as we look at a bemigre picture there, we do expect that moisture to continue to stream into our Minnesota neighborhoods, bringing that potential of those showers and storms. But looking also toward the Bemidji area, we are seeing some of these little white splotches there, which those indicate an agitated cumulus field. So we're seeing some cumulus clouds. They're becoming a bit more vertical in nature, which does show some instability in the atmosphere in our extreme eastern neighborhoods, which is extending all the way up through Thief River Falls toward Roseau, Baudette as well. We're seeing that cumulus field, and that, again, is a sign to us that there is some moisture moving in that does have that vertical ascent. And that, of course, is where we're watching that best chance for those showers and storms to develop in the afternoon and evening hours here today. Temperatures moving into the 70s in our North Dakota neighborhoods, still holding on to some of those 60s in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods, still 58 this hour in Baudette. So still seeing that cool air up north, and that cool air will actually sink down here into the northern valley as we head toward the dinner time and shortly thereafter. So I do expect temperatures in this area, even into Grand Forks as well, cooling a little bit as we head into the dinner time hour tonight. Now, the hour by hour shows that moisture being picked up and seeing the spotty shower and storm activity developing around dinner time this afternoon. So we are still expecting locally heavy rainfall with these and some gusty winds. And with those gusty winds and any of these showers or storms, could see some tree damage, especially in those areas where the ground has been saturated by constant rainfall for the past week. So that does make trees a little bit more easy to topple over if there is any of that strong wind from these storms. But notice still around 5 o'clock, sunny for pretty much everybody else, still breezy with those northwest winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour. But then by 8 o'clock, I expect any shower or thunderstorm around to be gone, exiting off toward the east. And we stay in those 50s for us in the northern neighborhoods, then 60s and 70s as we go from north to south across the area this afternoon. But look at this. As we go toward 10 o'clock, clear sky remains, and I expect it to be even colder tonight than it was this morning. By 4 a.m., looking at those temperatures in the lower to middle 40s up toward the north, low 50s toward the south, I wouldn't be surprised for some backyard thermometers in the northern valley to read upper 30s by tomorrow morning just before dawn, as that cool air really does push into our northern neighborhoods. But your hometown forecast for that dinner time hour shows that breeze and shows the difference in temperatures from north to south, those low 60s up toward the north, but still making a run possibly at seeing some low 80s in our extreme southern neighborhoods as we go across the 5 o'clock hour this evening, but expecting low to mid 70s up and down the Red River Valley. So for that 7-day planner, mainly quiet for us today, except for those isolated thunderstorms. But Friday, again, sunny, plenty of dry time for us on Friday. We stay dry for most of the weekend as well. Temperatures staying in those upper 70s until Sunday night. That's when we bring back that chance of some showers and storms. And with the increase in temperatures next week into those low to mid 80s, could see again some heat-driven showers and storms, and some of those could be strong as well. But we're watching the potential for some agitated weather for the first half of next week as well.